Turn on the Q8. Long press mesh button about 5 seconds until you hear a prompt and the red light and green light flash alternately. Take one of them as the paired server, press mesh button. You will hear a beep and the red light and green light will flash alternately. When the blue lights on both Q8s flash slowly and a voice prompt indicates the same channel, the pairing is successful. When we try to make a sound near the microphone, the mesh intercom will be activated, transmitting the intercom sound, and the LED light will turn green. Select one Q8 as the host for music sharing. Long press EJEAS button about 5 seconds until you hear a prompt and the red light and blue light flash alternately. Find Q8 on your phone Bluetooth and click Connect. After the Q8 is successfully paired with Bluetooth on your phone, let's try playing music. You can also use Q8 to directly control the playback and pause of music. Next, we officially enter the music share mode. Both Q8s click the EJEAS button and volume down button once at the same time. And you will hear a voice prompt saying music share. When both Q8s turn to a slowly flashing blue light and a voice announcement says music share connected. The music from the host's mobile phone will also play through the subunit speaker. The subunit can also control the play, pause, and switching of the music. At this point, when we try to make a sound near the microphone, the mesh intercom will be activated, transmitting the intercom sound, and the LED light will turn green. When the microphone picks up sound, the music volume will automatically decrease to highlight the intercom sound. After there is no intercom sound, the music automatically restores the volume and the LED turns blue. Let's try it again.